Right. The next thing is, in our syllabus, actually, changing the name of folder, these things we have done, deleting a folder permanently. How do we delete a folder permanently? Or delete a file permanently?
Pressing shift and
How
delete
can we
key
delete a file or folder permanently?
by pressing
That is
shift
using shift
and
key.
delete.
Right? Again, okay, so one last thing. So let's do this as the last exercise for today. Right, okay. Again, please share the screen today. Right, okay. Then let's create a new folder, new file or folder, and just click delete there. Just click on the delete button. After selecting the folder, just click the delete button. Okay. No. Rename it after press delete button. Isla rename kalla ivara vela delete kara. Okay. When you press, just press the delete button. Ekapara delete button එක press කරන්න. del කියලා key එකක් තියෙනවා press කරන්න keyboard එක. Or right click delete. Or right click and delete. Then it's asking to the move to the recycle bin. See here, it asking to move to the recycle bin. Recycle bin means a place where the deleted files are temporarily stored. There is a special folder. A folder එකේ delete කරපු file store කරලා තියෙනවා. Click yes and then go to the recycle bin. When you go to the recycle bin, you can see all the deleted files by you. Right? You can restore them back. You can right click on the file, If you think you are accidentally delete that, you can restore. That will come to the, okay, restore it. That will come back to the desktop, the original location. But if you press shift key and delete key, shift එකයි delete එකයි press කරලා බලන්න. Shift key and delete key. So then it's asking, nah, වැදුන්නේ නැහැ. Shift එකයි delete එකයි. එතකොට අහන්නේ permanently delete කරන්නද කියලා. Message will be different. Close it and again try. Shift key එක press කරගෙන delete key එක press කරන්න. Shift key and delete. Okay, click yes. I don't think that is the one, but anyway, click this. Now go to the recycle bin and see. No, පුතේ මං හිතන්නේ මම වරදි නෑ. Shift delete වෙන්නේ නෑ වාපි. Shift key එක press කරගෙනම delete කරන්න ඕන. Okay, restore that. අපෝ restore කරන්න. Restore that. හරි දැන් ඔක කොහොමම තියලා මේක මෙතන shift key එක press කරගෙන shift key එක තද කරගෙන delete key එක press කරන්න. shift අතාරින්න එපා. Shift and delete. No. Click no.
Sir,
Okay, let me do that, Satika. I think there's something wrong in maybe your keyboard or some other thing. Press no. No karanna bala. Okay, when I select this and shift delete this. Have you given me the permission? What a permission
Yes, sir.
dunnada? Satika.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
what's wrong with your computer? So it seems something wrong, right? Okay, others can try this. Others can try in their computers. When you press shift key and delete key. Satika වෙන මොකුත් කරන්න නැතුව ඉන්න චුට්ටක්. When you press shift key and delete key, it should ask, are you sure you want to permanently delete the file? Ane permanently delete කරාට කමක් නැද්ද කියලා. That is the normal way. When you shift delete, that is the normal thing. So can you use the keyboard at least? අපි keyboard එක ගමු, on screen keyboard එක. Search කරලා ගන්න සති on screen keyboard. On screen keyboard. Satika, can you hear me? Oh, it's unclear. Okay. Shift key is not there. I think some problem in his machine, right? Can you take the shift again on screen keyboard? Can't you see the shift key there? Okay, this key is the shift key. And then the delete key. Delete key. Shift and delete. Press the delete key from your keyboard. Keyboard again, delete key. Backspace never, hurry. Shift and delete key in your keyboard. Shift press කරලා ඉවර වෙලා delete key එක press කරන්න. අර දැන් delete key එක press කරන්න keyboard එකේ. මේක select කරලා ඉන්න ඕනේ නේද? නැත්නම් එන්නේ නැහැ. Then delete key එක press කරන්න. Okay, I think something wrong. Okay. Still it's asking, are you sure you want to move this folder? So what is the laptop that you are using? Is it some?
Yes, sir.
It's not having shift key. It cannot be, right? Right. I think some other problem. So you have to log into your keyboard and see what is. Maybe send me a screenshot of your keyboard today. So it's not happening. Yes, it's not happening. It's only pressing the delete key. So that's not happening. That's why you cannot see that message. The permanent deleted one you cannot see.
I have all PC.
Huawei on-screen keyboard එක ගත්තේ මෙතනින්ද? Did you search the on-screen keyboard and get that? Or you just click this one? Not this one, just search on-screen keyboard and get that and try this again. Not using this, try to search using Windows on-screen keyboard and see that. Okay, so that's it. Search කරන්න බලන්න search කරාම සමහරට වෙන එකක් එයි. On-screen keyboard.
So in my one not searching.
Okay, seems some error, right? Maybe he cannot hear me or he's doing something else. So okay, anyway, right? Don't know what's happening there. So let's finish the session then. Okay, so we have done up to this level. So then, right. Okay, then the last thing is about the file properties. The last thing is about file properties. File properties, when you take file properties, you can just press select any file and then press Alt key with enter key to go to the properties. Any file or folder, select that and then press Alt key and enter key to go to the properties. Then you can access the properties window. Actually, there you can see the file size, file format, file size, and the file location. Also, you can change the program to open that, right? Default program to open that. And also you can change the, maybe you have two sizes. So why there are two sizes? Because, you know, maybe the bottle and water level. So bottle capacity may be 300, but water level may be 200. It's like this. The file capacity, actual capacity of the file is 35 KB, but it's taking more than that in the space. So if you take my chair, I'm sitting on a chair, my size and the space taken by the chair is two things, similar to that. Size of the original file is one thing, and size taken by the file is something bigger than that. Actually, we learned by calculation in the theory class about that. Then you have the file properties like modified date, created date, and edited date, access date, open date, last modified date, and the created date, and the hidden and read-only attributes. Hidden will hide your file, and you can go to the view in the Explorer and show the hidden files as we did. And read-only will make the file read-only, non-editable. Right, so that's it. And with that, actually, Tinura, so what you have sent, Tinura? This is what the on-screen keyboard, right? Yes, this is what it looks like. So normally, when you take the on-screen keyboard, this is what come in. That's why I asked whether you have changed. There you have to press the Shift key and Delete key together to delete it permanently. Shift key and Delete key here. So thank you for sending the screenshot. And then it will be asking, are you sure you want to delete permanently? Actually, my solution is I have to use a machine now, Windows machine, it seems. Because most of your machines are like, so some are not functioning, some are, due to some reason, you have changed your settings by installing some unknown applications or some theme-based applications. So then it's very difficult to do general tasks using that. And also, please do using the general settings. Don't change the general settings of the computer, then it will be very difficult for you to learn. Right? If you really want to do that, I suggested you please use a virtual machine. So that is the best thing. You can do anything with virtual machine, even you can install a virus. Doesn't matter, because that is not your actual computer. Right? If you don't know how to put a virtual machine, there's a video in my channel. You can just go to that and watch that.
Sir,
Okay, with that, I'll stop for today. Next day, we'll discuss the new chapter. Then good night. See you all next week.
right,
Good night.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir. Have a nice day.